Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to learn about some amazing birds. Birds come in different shapes, colors, and sizes. Some can fly very high, while others love to stay close to the ground. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this colorful bird. This is a parrot. Parrots have bright feathers in red, green, blue, and yellow. Some parrots can even talk. They listen to sounds and copy what they hear. Isn't that amazing? Whoa! Look up high in the sky. That's an eagle. Eagles have big wings and super sharp eyes. They can fly really high and spot their food from far away. They are strong and fast. Wait a minute. This bird is not flying. It's waddling on the ice. That's a penguin. Penguins love cold places, and they use their little wings to swim in the water instead of flying in the sky. How cool is that? Look at that pink bird standing on one leg. That's a flamingo. Flamingos love to stand in the water and eat tiny creatures like shrimp. Their pink color comes from the food they eat. Shh! Do you hear that? That's an owl. Owls wake up at night and have big round eyes to see in the dark. They're quiet and very wise birds. Who is making that sound? It's a woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to peck on trees. They're looking for food hiding under the bark. Wow! Look at that big, beautiful tail. That's a peacock. Peacocks have shiny, colorful feathers, and they spread them out like a big fan when they want to show off. They are one of the prettiest birds. Look at this tiny bird buzzing around the flowers. It's a hummingbird. Hummingbirds flap their wings so fast that they can hover in the air like a helicopter. They love to drink sweet nectar from flowers. Look at this elegant white bird gliding on the water. That's a swan. Swans have long necks and love to swim in lakes and ponds. They are graceful and beautiful birds. Look at this bird flying over the ocean. That's a seagull. Seagulls love the beach and enjoy eating fish. They are great flyers and can soar for long distances. Wow! We learned about so many amazing birds today. Which bird was your favorite? Was it the parrot, the peacock, or the tiny hummingbird? Birds are wonderful creatures and we can always learn more about them. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.